Hello guys, in this lecture we will learn about how we can use props in the class components. So let's make class component named animal extends uh, react dot component class. Okay, so in this way, and there is the render function, and here we're returning something. So I'm going to return woof woof here, and now the task is to render in our desired location. So I'm going to make a variable count target document.get element by id, uh, and here should be a root, and here let content is equals to animal, and here close, and this content has been passed to the content variable. So the component has been passed to the content variable. So react dom dot create root dot target and dot render content, sorry, render, here should be content, which is our component named animal. So in this way the class component has been rendered to our desired location. So woof woof has been rendered with our uh, at our desired location. So basically this is the class component. In this lecture we will see how we can pass props with the class components. Okay, now I'm going to pass information with the class component, and the information will be accessed in the class component using some keywords. Okay, to share with the class component I'm going to pass name here, and the name should be dog. So to use this name here, so I will use uh, I will use props dot name. Okay, so in this way I cannot use props here. No, the main task is to understand how we can use the class component. Just add this keyword here, this dot props dot name. So in this way you can access the past information, and you can use it with the class component. So a difference between the functional component and class component is the use of this keyword, and this keyword will be used to access the properties past information. Okay, I'm going to make another function named hello and extends react dot component class. Okay, now I'm going to render something. So render function have been added and return something, h1 hello, and here should be jazzy, and here uh, jazzy. Okay, now I'm going to change the uh, now let's make a passing more function, in which we will call the function more times passing more, and here we will call the function many times. Okay, it should be returning something, return, and here should be div and div close. uh, Here what hello name is equals to Jan Zeeb, and so here I'm going to call this function. I'm going to change the content of uh, with passing more, and this way, yes. So I'm going to use, so this will be props dot name. No, it should be this dot props dot name. Yes, good, because we are using the class components. Okay, and this have been rendered to our desired location. Now I'm going to call multiple times with passing different values to it. Okay, Jahazi, Jahaz, Faham, Abdullah, and something else. So these all are rendered Okay, because the class component has been called multiple times, and the new information, and on each call the new information has been passed with that component, and it has been used according to our structure. Okay, i hope uh, I hope you have understand well how to use props in the class components. Okay, you can also pass more than one attributes to a component. Okay, you can also pass more than one. See you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.